Hey guys, look around. Have a look around here. Look at this. It's empty. Where is everybody? It's like something out of The Walking Dead, you know, the TV series, all the zombies, right? It's like no one, right? This is what's going to happen to shopping centers, retail stores, right? There's going to be no one around because everything is moving online. Did you know that Amazon grew, just in the last 12 months, they grew actually grew more than 1,500%. For every 1% market share they take, about 800 stores close down. And this is the future, right? You're going to have storefronts, you'll be paying rent, wages, overhead, staff, and there's going to be no customers, no walk-by customers, because everyone's buying everything online. Now here's something you can do to fix it. You can list your products on Amazon. You can take your existing product range, put it on Amazon. I'll help you do that, whether you have 5 products, 50 products, 500 products, 5,000 products. We actually have a huge team that do this for our clients. So they actually list products on Amazon for our clients. And it doesn't matter whether you're doing this or sleepwear, lingerie, retail shops, shoes. It could be gifts, it could be toys, it could be pet toys. It could be pretty much anything. Our clients do baby products, from pet toys, we do dog beds, we do a whole bunch of products from ranges from pretty much everything, right? We can get you on Amazon. We can take all your products, completely handle all the process for you, take your products and list them onto Amazon. So guys, give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. I would love to help you list your product on Amazon. I'd love to help you get out there. And you can actually add new products, you can change products, I'll show you exactly how to do the trending products, how to find out what's selling right now on Amazon, and basically get it all up there and get it selling. So my name's Alex Ryan, thanks for joining me guys. I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.